Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Meanfun Ladder is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can have in your home or for your professional needs, offering unparalleled stability and reach for tasks ranging from simple household chores to more complex construction projects, ensuring safety and efficiency with every use. This ladder is engineered with high-quality materials and thoughtful design to provide a reliable and durable solution for all your elevation requirements, making it a worthwhile investment for any homeowner or tradesperson seeking a dependable and user-friendly ladder. Number 5. Wiberwi 4-Step Ladder with Handrails. Introducing the Wiberwi 4-Step Ladder, your reliable partner for everyday tasks. It's perfect for reaching high cabinets in the kitchen, bathroom, or garage, making any job easier. Built with an upgraded heavy-duty steel frame, this ladder supports up to 500 pounds. Its wide, non-slip pedals and sturdy construction ensure you feel safe and supported while working. Enjoy extra confidence with the long, padded handrails that offer a comfortable and secure grip. The non-marring feet protect your floors from scratches. When not in use, this ladder folds compactly, allowing for easy storage in tight spaces like corners, closets, or even your car. It's designed for ultimate convenience. Keep your essentials close at hand with the included attachable tool bag. It's perfect for holding tools, paintbrushes, or even a drink, making your tasks more efficient. Whether you're changing a light bulb or organizing your pantry, this versatile stepladder is designed to assist you in various household chores with stability and ease. What we like. This one offers exceptional stability with its handrails and a robust 500 pounds capacity. The included tool bag is a fantastic bonus for keeping your essentials handy. If you prioritize maximum safety and convenience for household tasks, especially if you need to carry tools, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It has a removable case to hold supplies while I work, or I can remove the canvas case and just use it as a handle for more support. It also has two safety rails to help me as I climb up and down, as well as a little more support if I lean left or right. The grips on the steps are wide for added safety. The steps are firm and deep, no need to hang your heels off the step. The 4-step version I bought gets me as high as I need to go with a solid top handrail to keep a grip on once I'm up there. The side handrails are nice but not as important to me as the top rail. However, they do add another level of safety, and that's not a bad thing. Sturdy ladder, 500 pounds weight limit, slip resistant, easy folding and easy storage, and comes with a tool holder, comes in handy. Number 4. Aluminum telescoping ladder 20 feet. This ladder features an innovative extendable and retractable design. It easily compacts for storage and extends rung by rung to meet your specific height needs for various tasks. Safety is paramount with its durable aluminum construction and secure locking latches. The anti-slip feet and EN 131 safety approval ensure stability and peace of mind during use. Despite its impressive extension, it's surprisingly portable and lightweight. Its compact folded size allows for convenient storage in your car trunk, closet, or under the bed. Operating this ladder is straightforward. Extend each step fully until you hear a click to lock it in place. For retraction, unlock step by step from the bottom, ensuring your fingers are kept clear. This multi-purpose ladder is perfect for a wide range of indoor and outdoor activities. From changing light bulbs to accessing lofts, it's an essential tool for your home or office. Built with a heavy-duty aluminum design, it can support up to 330 pounds. This reliable tool is designed for longevity and frequent use. What we like. This ladder extends up to an impressive 20 feet, offering great reach for various jobs. Its telescoping design makes it incredibly portable and easy to store. If you frequently need to reach high places for DIY projects, maintenance, or outdoor activities and value compactness, this is the one for you. What people say. It folds up so small. So good for tiny homes and RVs. The internal mechanisms are built to last. The sections are strong and reinforce each other. The sections slide beautifully. I love the hooks, they made tree work accessible. It feels wobbly at full extension sometimes, but is actually amazingly sturdy. Number 3. Yvan 8.5-foot aluminum telescopic ladder. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy with an oxidized surface for extended life. Reinforced nylon fiber plastic parts enhance load capacity, stability, and resistance to aging. It boasts a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds. Experience increased safety with high-quality materials and an upgraded structure. Each rung features a soft close function, significantly boosting the ladder's stability. Our upgraded internal structure ensures an intelligent locking mechanism on each rung. When retracting, each step falls slowly and smoothly, completely eliminating the risk of pinched hands. This ladder is lightweight and easy to carry, making it incredibly portable. Its compact, foldable design allows for convenient storage in tight spaces like under the bed or behind a door. Reach up to 8.5 feet for various household tasks and hobbies. It's perfect for changing bulbs, painting walls, cleaning windows, or accessing attics, offering great convenience for daily life. Rest assured, this compact ladder complies with safety standards. It's designed to provide peace of mind while bringing great convenience to your life. What we like. This ladder boasts a unique soft close feature and an intelligent locking mechanism, ensuring a safe and pinch-free retraction. It's lightweight and compact, perfect for everyday household needs. If you're concerned about safety during retraction and need a reliable ladder for common home tasks like changing bulbs or cleaning windows, this is a great option. What people say. This 12.5 feet one-button retraction aluminum ladder has proven to be a versatile and convenient tool for various tasks around the house and for pursuing my hobbies. The one-button retraction feature is a game-changer. With a simple press of a button, the ladder smoothly and safely retracts, allowing for easy storage and transportation. The slowed-down design adds an extra layer of safety. The ladder retracts slowly and steadily, preventing any sudden movements or accidents. Number 2. Telescoping extension ladder 15.5 feet. Reach new heights with this versatile ladder. It extends from 3.2 feet to a maximum of 15.5 feet, allowing you to customize the height for any job. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, this ladder is built for durability and longevity. It has been rigorously tested to ensure it can support up to 330 pounds. This ladder is perfect for a wide range of applications, both at home and for commercial use. It's ideal for tasks like painting, cleaning windows, or even roof repairs. Unlike traditional ladders, this one is designed for easy carrying and storage. Its telescopic design allows it to fold down compactly, saving you space. When you purchase this ladder, you'll receive the ladder itself, a convenient carry bag, a user manual, and work gloves. Plus, you get lifetime technical support for peace of mind. What we like. With a maximum height of 15.5 feet, this ladder provides substantial reach for a variety of indoor and outdoor tasks. It comes with a convenient carry bag for easy transport and storage. If you need a versatile ladder for home or commercial use and appreciate the added benefit of lifetime technical support, this model is a solid contender. What people say. This ladder is incredibly sturdy and feels very safe to use. The telescoping design makes it easy to store and transport. It extends smoothly and locks securely at each height setting. Number 1. OOSOFITT 5-step folding ladder with handrails. Experience enhanced safety with our innovative ladder. It features extra handrails for added balance and support, giving you peace of mind for any task. This ladder is designed for maximum safety, supporting up to 330 pounds. Its wide, non-slip pedals and stable frame ensure a secure footing, minimizing any risk of slips. Keep your tools organized and within reach with the convenient, removable tool bag. It detaches easily, allowing you to take your essentials wherever you need them. Enjoy effortless storage with its foldable design. When folded, it's slim and lightweight, easily fitting into tight spaces like closets or garages. Setup is a breeze with our tool-free assembly. Simply screw in a few bolts and it's ready to use in minutes, no extra tools or help required. What we like. This 5-step ladder offers enhanced safety with its handrails and a convenient removable tool bag for easy access to your gear. Its incredibly slim folded profile makes storage a breeze. If you're looking for a stable, easy-to-use ladder for frequent home use, especially if you have elderly users or children, and value extreme space-saving storage, this is an ideal pick. What people say. It's just the right height and folds up nicely to keep in the back seat. It supports my weight well and is very sturdy. This was easy to assemble and start using immediately. It's taller than I am, so it is going to work perfectly in our pantry. It folds up easy so we can lean it against the wall and out of the way when not in use. This thing is super sturdy, aesthetically appealing, compact and relatively lightweight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.